Hi guys, welcome back to Shannon and Dan's Kitchen, home of Shannon's Kitchen Shenanigans. Today we're going to do a variation of the Pampered Chef recipe, egg roll in a bowl. It's one of my favorite things to make. It's very easy, it's pretty quick, and we will attach a link for the actual recipe in the comments in case you want to try it for yourselves. That's the great thing about cooking, is that you can change things as you want or need. If you have allergies or preferences, just change it. So here we go. Okay, so first we'll go over really quickly some of the items that we're going to be using. We have our mix and chop, the paring knife, the cutting mat, the manual food processor, which I love. We have our measure all cups, the loop scoop, and the mix and scraper, which has all kinds of wonderful uses. So what we will do first is our onion, and you just need to get it into chunks that you can put into the food processor that are small enough to not clog up the blades, but that's still big enough to where you're not actually chopping everything up at once. You put your lid on and press. I like to have mine pretty small. We do have someone in the family that doesn't care for onion as much, and of course the smaller pieces just seems to work out better. With the manual food processor, that's another great thing, is you can get your pieces chopped, diced, minced, whatever kind of size you want. Forgot to mention the other thing that we're using is the Rock Crock Dutch oven. So I already have the ground turkey in the Rock Crock. We'll go ahead and get that started. We'll be using our mix and chop to get the ground turkey crumbled. While that's cooking, we are going to do our pepper next. Okay, while we're waiting for the turkey to get cooked, we'll go ahead and measure out our soy sauce and our honey for the sauce that's going to go on it. And for the soy sauce, it is 3 tablespoons. The honey is 1 tablespoon. This is a great thing about the Measure All cups. You can do solids or liquids, and they're very easy to read. For the solids, these are great for peanut butter, honey, things that are a little stickier, because as you'll see when we add it in, this acts as a plunger and you just push it out, and it is super easy to clean. You don't have to try and scrape anything out. Makes it really, really easy. Okay, so we did go ahead and add the bell peppers in. So the next thing that we need to do is to add the coleslaw. I have done it also with just cabbage and shredded it, chopped it, and used that instead of the slaw. And get that all mixed up. And we will cover that and let it cook for a few minutes. While that is cooking, then we will do our sauce. I did not get any green onions, so I'm just going to throw some freeze-dried chives in place of the green onion. You add your soy sauce. This is the cool part. Squeeze out your honey. Usually it's not messy, but I happened to stick an arm in the honey earlier, so. And then you're just going to give it some whirls to get it all mixed together. Okay, so our egg roll in a bowl has cooked down pretty well. So the last thing we need to do is add our sauce. We will get that all mixed in and then cover it and let it simmer for a couple more minutes to get that flavoring all incorporated. The recipe itself gives that you can use rice, and they recommend to put your rice in a bowl and top it with the goodness. I mix mine all together. So then we just go ahead, cover it back up, let it cook for a couple of minutes so that can all get nice and incorporated together and get all those juices simmering. And that is our version of Pampered Chef egg roll in a bowl. Again, we'll go ahead, we will put the link in with the video so you can try it if you would like to. Let us know if you try, if you do any variations of your own. We would love to hear from you. So let us know how you liked it, and until next time, thanks guys.